As pushing away, Sparks produced off of the titanium wedge on the front of the seat. Popping Blizzard up into the air momentarily, back on his wheels. They line up. Blizzard's underneath the Blizzard, right side up again. That disc still spinning. Looks to be pretty much full speed. This is more titanium spark speed. And that is a nice simple one from Ziggy. Ziggy absorbing the back end of the robot now to push Blizzard into the wall. We're 1 minute in. We have 2 minutes left in this fight. Ziggy trying to get Blizzard over the arena wall. Ziggy is successful. The wall does count as an instant knockout. Break Ziggy. We saw the design of Blizzard there, even when it was pushed up onto its back, its tires still touching the floor, so it's going to be, you can't really stand Blizzard on its sides or its back, the tires are too big. There's a Ziggy. Of course, the more time something takes, the more power it uses. Also, the camera, plus the amount of camera on top of Blizzard, and that has now been knocked off. Just the camera. Still spinning there. Blizzard still spinning. There it goes. Looks like it starts spinning the other direction. No, it's still going the same way. As soon as the EM will take a drive. These two robots continue to buy shoulder aggression, shoulder damage. They're both looking a little woozy. That's to be expected. But we're going to end this fight in a mere 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up, and it goes to a judge's decision. It looks like that in there, Ziggy got stuck underneath the arena wall. What happened? It looks like he's trying to free himself, but the fight was over at that point, so it didn't much matter.